Let's try to solve this problem. Let u is equals to x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to 2. Now, get the derivative of u with respect to x. Du is equal to 4 times 1, 4, x raised to 3, plus 2 times 3, 6, x raised to 1, dx. We can divide this by 2. So, du over 2 is equals to 4 divided by 2, 2x raised to 3, plus 6 divided by 2, 3x dx. Since same to the integral, we can cancel this. Cancel. Now, substitute everything to the integral. 1 over u du over 2. Now, we can take this outside of the integral. 1/2 integral of 1 over u du. The integration of 1 over u is ln u plus c. 1/2. Substitute u. 1/2 ln u x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to 2 plus c.